Welcome to Palm Beach Gardens. I'm Rafael Gonzalez, your local new construction expert here in South Florida, and today we're touring Avenir, a master plan community that's redefining luxury living for families and retirees alike relocating to this area. From custom designed estate homes and resort style amenities to over 2,400 acres of nature preserves and trails, Avenir offers more than just a place to live, it is a lifestyle destination. Whether you're moving from across the country or already call Florida home, this community delivers the privacy, comfort, and elegance that luxury home buyers are looking for. So if you're considering a move to South Florida and want to see what makes Avenir one of the most desirable addresses in Palm Beach, you're in the right place. Let's take a tour. So the model we're coming up to now is their starting size here in Apex and one of their most popular models that I help clients build. Built as a split 3-car garage home with 2,464 square feet under air, all on one level. And as soon as you step inside, the foyer greets you with 13 to 14 foot ceilings for more volume and scale, and is built as a 3-bedroom, each with their own private ensuite bathroom. There's a powder room for guests and a den off from the foyer, so everyone has plenty of space from one another and more privacy. At the heart of the home, you'll find the gourmet kitchen, a built-in pantry, sleek slab cabinetry, and quartz countertops for a clean and contemporary look. The sliding glass doors and windows overlooking the pool and backyard open up the entire back of the home, pouring into the space with more natural light through 10-foot sliding doors. The primary is in the rear and is a paradise with 12-foot ceilings, a freestanding tub position in the center of all of the windows, separating the dual vanities, dual walk-in closets, and views of the pool and lake when you wake up. It is absolutely stunning. And life at Avenir feels like resort living every day. The Blue Heron Clubhouse offers 16,000 square feet of luxury amenities, including a pool with waterfalls, an 8-person spa, lap lanes, cabanas, a new splash pad, a 24/7 fitness center, tennis and pickleball courts, a fire pit lounge, and an indoor event space. And the newly announced Great Egret Clubhouse takes the whole resort feel to the next level, with a full-service restaurant and bar, indoor and outdoor dining, fitness studios, sauna and steam rooms, sports complex, massage room, and game lounges, all designed to bring neighbors together and elevate everyday living. Thinking about making a move to Palm Beach, whether you're relocating for work, lifestyle, or just looking for that year-round sunshine, I'd love to be your local guide. I specialize in helping families and individuals relocate here, making the process smooth from start to finish. From finding the right neighborhood, to navigating new construction, to connecting you with trusted local resources, I've got you covered. So if you are considering a move, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. I'm posting new construction tours every single week. And when you're ready to take the next step, you can reach out to me directly or use the link in the description to schedule a call with me. We'll talk about your goals, your timeline, and I'll help you figure out the best options for you here in South Florida. I'm Rafael Gonzalez, your relocation and new construction expert, and let's find your dream home together. Thank you for joining me on this tour of one of Palm Beach's most exclusive new construction communities. These luxury homes are more than just beautiful designs, they're about creating a lifestyle of elegance, comfort, and privacy here in South Florida. If you're considering a move to Palm Beach and want expert guidance on securing the perfect new construction home, I'd love to be your real estate resource of choice. My job is to simplify the process, give you insider access, and make sure you find a home that truly fits your vision. Be sure to subscribe for more luxury home tours across South Florida, and if this home feels like the right fit, all of my contact information is here. I'm Rafael Gonzalez, your local new construction expert, and I will see you on the next tour.